1. What we think, we become. Buddha emphasized the power of the mind and thoughts. Positive thinking leads to positive actions and outcomes, while negative thoughts can create suffering. Cultivating mindfulness helps shape a purposeful and fulfilling life. 2. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. True peace is not dependent on external circumstances, but arises from inner harmony. Buddha taught that by understanding oneself and practicing meditation, one can find lasting tranquility. 3. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. This thought highlights the importance of appreciating life's simple blessings. Buddha believed that physical health, inner satisfaction, and trust in relationships are key to a meaningful existence. 4. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Buddha warned against harboring anger or resentment, as it harms oneself more than others. Letting go of such emotions leads to freedom and peace. 5. Do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha stressed living in the present as a way to avoid unnecessary suffering. Mindfulness and presence help individuals fully experience life and make better decisions. Each of these thoughts reflects Buddha's teachings on mindfulness, compassion, and self-awareness, guiding humanity toward enlightenment and inner peace.